Tukuya chaka singana erengete chisemi saborokia kurwa chiskuru abandata sokia na kugania serikali kuligerelia obojia Mswada wechibesa anene mono ensemelia ekugania kurusia endagira ekonono gochia chiskuru ogosiro kwabero koruegwa ne serikali amatuko amange aborokia kurwa anene mono county naboigo ensemelia ya Mogotio ni gobono baberote banga okorusugwa ndagereyo niho korabe gokwirira omubaro omoke nabo igwa serikali nebwenderete ebikuligerelia enganeye enchera ere engia.
Purpose of us providing this support is to ensure that you as students remain in school. In effort to ensure that we remain in school, this food is supposed to help that, which means chakula ikiwa hakuna watu wanakimbia nyumbani ati hakuna chakula sijui ni konja. Chakula ikiwa we don't expect young girls to be getting pregnant wakiwa shule, ama hata vijana unasikia kijana siku hizi amekuwa baba nani. Tunaelewana?
Because we find that children will be going out looking for money to supplement what their parents have, so the food will be of great help to our students so that we'll be able to ensure that they are retained in school, considering that majority of the schools we have are day secondary schools.
I think that the population will actually have to reduce, because mtoto sometimes may actually come to school because of the food which is there, especially these young ones. Yeah, standard 1, yeah, standard 2, and